Here's a little video I made to show what I did to improve the audio quality on transmit for the IC-7100, and this will work with other ICOM radios, but the mic that comes with the 7100 is this, and its part number is HM198. And this is by far the worst microphone I've ever used. The microphone appears to have louvers here, but actually those are fake, and possibly you can see there is a microscopic hole. It's right here. It's about the size of a pinhead, and that's where the audio has to work its way through to operate. And these vents are all just fake louvers. And with this microphone, this radio is just plain distorted, and the audio is weak. So I've got an IC-7300 and an IC-7610 sitting here. So there's 7610 and 7300 is sitting across the room, but they both come with this mic, and the audio quality on those two rigs is just super excellent. And one of the reasons is because of this mic. And this little mic, you can compare the sizes here of these things, but this is the original mic that came with the 7100, and this is the 219. This is the HM219, as you can see here. These are available for 40 some dollars from any radio outlet, ham radio outlet or whatever. And the only problem is it comes with an 8-pin connector, and the radio has a RJ45 type thing, and this is what's on the original microphone. So all you need to do is buy this adapter here, and it just simply plugs into the end of the mic and then into the radio. It's about 8 inches long or so. These are available from this eBay source. For one thing, this is a replacement for the ICOM OPC 589, and I'll put the link down at the bottom of the page here. But as you can see, it's $14.99, and that's the price on it. It'll fit the 7000, ICOM 7000, the 7100, and probably a few others. But the thing is, I don't know what microphones come with the 706. I think they sound okay, but this thing they supply with the 7100 is absolutely no good. So the microphone, like I said, is available through Ham Radio Outlet or DX Engineering, Universal, probably Gigaparts, anybody that sells ICOM products for about $45, and there's a bunch of them on eBay, so compare the prices. This is ICOM part number OPC 589, and you can buy the factory version of it. It's more expensive, but for $15 you can get it on eBay. Now the difference in the mics is just incredible. This mic is, these vents are real, and it goes into the inside, so it's got the up and down push buttons on it. The only difference that I can see, this mic has a switch that you can turn the push buttons off and on with, and with this one you can do it in the menu in the radio, so if the radio has that option, but that's not a big deal. The push buttons will work. So there you go. That's my solution to the problem. I'm getting good audio reports. People are telling me it sounds just about like the 7300. I'm getting more output. It's easier to drive the amplifier with this, and I think that's really all you need. There are some mods out there for this radio, and I do not recommend them. I've tried them, and you will have problems if you do that. You'll think you're improving the audio, but it'll mess up the CW, and I highly recommend that you just get a good microphone and you'll be happy. Also, with this radio, when I bought mine, probably about 3 or 4 months ago, Ham Radio Outlet was supplying a Heil hand mic, and it's a pretty good mic. And I guess they got so many complaints about the original mic, they started supplying the hand mic, HM12, I think it is. It works okay, but not as good as this little mic that comes with the 7300. There you go. Thanks for watching, and 73.